Today we will do the chapter 4 exponent in powers. Recall, first of all, we will recall this. 4 into 4 into 4 is 4 raised to power 3. Because number multiplied by itself is 4, so the base is 4. And how many times it is multiplied? By 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 3, we will put 3 here. The second example is minus 5 into minus 5 is minus 5 into minus 5. So minus 5 is multiplied by minus 5. So minus 5 is the base. And how many times it is multiplied by itself? 4 times. So 4 is the power. So here in 4 raised to power 3, 3 is the power or exponent and 4 is the base. Write the base and exponent of in each of the following. First question is minus 1 by 3 raised to power 3. So here base is minus 1 upon 3 and exponent is 3. Exponent is 3. It's very simple. Second question is minus 4 upon 7 raised to power 6. Base is minus 4 upon 7 and exponent is 6. Exponent is 6. This is exponent. This is base. 2 upon 9 raised to the power 5. Here base is 2 by 9 and exponent is 5. 15 upon 19 raised to the power 3. Base is 15 upon 19 and exponent is 3. Minus 15 raised to the power 4. The base is minus 15 and exponent is 4. Sixth question, minus 2 upon 3. So minus 2 upon 3 raised to the power 1. So base is minus 2 upon 3 and exponent is 1. Express the following in the exponential form. 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 is the base and it is multiplied by 2 times. So 5 by 6 raised to the power 2. 9 upon 2 plus 9 upon multiplied by 9 upon 2 multiplied by 9 upon 2 multiplied by 9 upon 2. So 9 upon 2 is multiplied by, so 9 upon 2 is the base and how many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 9 upon 2 raised to the power 4. Third question is minus 7 upon 8, minus 7 upon 8, minus 7 upon 8. So it is equal to minus 7 upon 8 raised to the power 3. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is multiplied by itself. So it is the base and it is multiplied by 5 times. So 5 is the power. 5 is the exponent. We will put here. 1.8 7 times. So 1.8 raised to the power 7. Sixth question is 11 upon 12. It is multiplied by 6 times. So 11 upon 12 raised to the power 6. Express the following as a rational number in the form P upon Q. So 5 upon 6 raised to the power 3 and that will be equal to 5 upon 6 multiply 5 upon 6 multiply 5 upon 6. So we can multiply up the numerators 5 into 5 into 5 upon 6 into 6 into 6 and by solving this we will get 125 upon 216. Second question is, second part is minus 12 upon 13 raised to the power 2. So minus 12 upon 13 into minus 12 upon 13. So we can multiply now numerators and denominators separately. So minus 12 into minus 12 or 13 into 13. That we will get 144 upon 169. Third question is 4 upon 9 raised to the power 4. So 4 by 9 is multiplied by 4 times. So 4 multiplied by 4 times, 9 multiplied by 4 times. So we will get 256 upon 6561. Fourth question is minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 5. So we will multiply minus 1 by 2 5 times. So this numerator and denominator and we will get minus 1 upon 32. 1 upon 4 raised to the power 4 is equal to 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4 and we will get 1 upon 256. This is our answer. 3 upon 5 raised to power 3 is equal to 3 upon 5. The base, this is base and it is multiplied 3 times. 3 times here. 3 into 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5. We will get 27 upon 125. Next question is express the following as the powers of rational numbers. 81 upon 625 taking prime factorization. 81 divided by 1 divided by 3 we will get 27. then again by 3 we will get 9, again by 3 we will get 3, 3 by 1. So here at 625 we will do the prime factorization here, and we will get the 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, that is 3 upon 5 4 times, 3 upon 5 raised to the power 4. This will be our answer. Question number second is minus 8 upon 125. So we will do the prime factorization of both. We will get 2 into 2 into 2 upon 5 into 5 into 5 and with a negative sign. And we can write it here like minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, because negative is odd times, so it will be in negative. So minus 2 upon 3 raised to power 3. Similarly, the third question is minus 343 upon 512. So 343 we will get 777, 512 we will get this. So because we have three sevens here, so we will make the group of threes here, so that we will get the 3 groups. So 8, 8, 8, and this will be equal to minus 7 upon 8 raised to power 3. 32 upon 243, 32 के factor of 32, prime factorization of 243 is here. So we will get 2 upon 3 5 times, so 2 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Minus 1 upon 216, this we will get the minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 and this. So we will make the grouping here 2 and 3, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So we will get 6, 6, 6. So minus 1 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6 raised to the power 3. Our last question is minus 729 upon 1000. So we will do the prime factorization here of both. We will get 9, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. We will make the 3 groups here, 9, 29, 10, 10, 10. So we will get 9 upon 10, 9 upon 10, 9 upon 10, and that will be equal to 9 upon 10 raised to power 3. So this is our exercise.